There are many questions in Olympiads related to money, and this is one of such type of question. Let us discuss. The question reads: Raman went to a shop with rupees 300 where different toys are priced as shown in the picture. So you have a picture over here where you have got toys like Doraemon is priced rupees 45, Spider-Man is priced rupees 60, Thor is priced rupees 70, and Hulk is priced rupees 55. I hope you see cartoons, films, and you can recognize these characters. The next line reads, he bought two pieces of his favorite Spider-Man, two pieces of his favorite Spider-Man, one piece of Doraemon for his sister, and one piece of Hulk for his cousin. The question reads, how much money did he get back from the toy seller? That means, suppose this is Raman and this is the toy seller. What did Raman gave to the toy seller? He went to the toy shop with 300 and he gave rupees 300 to toy seller. And in return, toy seller gave some toys, namely two pieces of Spider-Man, one piece of Doraemon, and one Hulk. And along with that, a big plus over there, the toy seller returned some amount. So returned some amount. Why he returned some amount? Because the price of all these three we will find out is less than rupees 300, and our task is to find out that amount, because the question reads how much money did he get back from the seller. So let us now first of all find out the total amount required to buy these toys. So two Spider-Mans means the price of one Spider-Man is rupees 60. So two Spider-Mans will be priced 2 into 60 or 60 plus 60, which is equal to rupees. If you can multiply 60 by 2, 2 zeros are 0, 6 twos are 12. So the price or the cost of two Spider-Mans is rupees 120. Next, we will find out what is the cost of one piece of Doraemon. So for Doraemon, it will come out to be rupees 45 straight away, because we need not to do any calculation, because Raman is buying only one piece of Doraemon toy. So this is Doraemon. Next, Raman is also buying one piece of Hulk. So Hulk is priced as rupees 55. So it's 55. So the total cost will be equal to rupees 120 for Spider-Man, rupees 45 for Doraemon, and for Hulk it will be 55. So let us now carry out the addition. So 5 plus 5 10, carry 1, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 5 12. Again carry 1, 220. So what do we see? We see that the total cost or the total money required to buy these items, two Spider-Mans, one Doraemon and one Hulk, is rupees 220. But Raman gave the toy seller rupees 300. So you see 300 is greater than 220. So effectively Raman should give toy seller how much? Rupees 220, as because Raman has got rupees 300 in total, he gave 300 to the toy seller. So how much toy seller will return? So that effectively Raman gave 220, it will be equal to the difference of these two amounts. So 300 minus 220 is equal to 0 minus 0 is 0. From 3 we carry 1, so 10. 10 minus 2 is 8, and 3 becomes 2, so 2 minus 2 is 0. So the toy seller will give back rupees 80 to Raman. Thus, effectively, Raman paid how much amount? Rupees 220. Very simple. Raman needed to pay rupees 220, but as because Raman has 300 rupees in total, suppose he may have 300 rupee note, so he gave rupees 300 directly to the toy seller, and toy seller returned back rupees 80. So in effect, Raman gave paid rupees 220. So the answer to this question rupees 80. I hope you have understood. If you have not, again go through the question and try to understand. Take help of your teachers because these questions are very common in Olympiads. You should practice well and understand well how to solve such type of questions. Keep practicing with Decode Monk. Thank you.